Hello children, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. And now we will go ahead. Today we will start our second chapter, latitudes and longitudes. Children, first tell me what is latitudes and longitudes. Children, latitudes and longitudes are the imaginary line of the earth, right? Latitudes and longitudes are the imaginary line of the earth. Children, have you seen globe? Yes, globe, it is found in the circle form, right? And globe has two type of line you can see, right? Latitudinal line and the longitudinal line, as same as like this. Okay, globe has, you can clearly see latitudinal lines and the longitudinal line. Actually earth have not any type of line. Okay, globe has line but earth have not any type of line. And to understand the thing about the earth, we draw globe, and on the globe we drawn all latitudinal and longitudinal line to understand the things clearly, right? Clear? Then you will see me what is the need of latitudes and longitudes, why we drawn latitudinal line and the longitudinal line on the globe. Children, through the latitude and longitude we can able to understand and we can able to find the location of a place perfectly and accurately. Okay, so you can see here I have drawn. You know that earth rotate on its axis. What is axis? Axis is also imaginary point, and axis, the end point of the axis, the imaginary and the end point of the axis are known as pole. Okay, the end point of the axis and the imaginary point of the axis are known as pole. You can see here I have written North Pole and the South Pole. Okay, North Pole and the South Pole. And two type of line you can see here. Okay, long line and one type of line which run from the west to east. Okay, come to the first longitudinal line. Children, longitudinal line are the line which divide earth into two equal parts. Okay, eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. You can see here I have drawn one line between the circle. Okay, and I have written here 0 degree, because we know that one circle, okay, circle carry 360 degree. Okay, 360 degree. So that I have written 0 degree, and again 1 2 3 we will go to till 180 in the eastern side and 180 in the western side. Clear? So you can see here I have written prime meridian. It is the important meridian line, so that it has their name, prime meridian. And prime meridian divides earth into eastern hemisphere. I have written here eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Okay, and from 0 to 1 2 3 we will go to till 180 in the eastern hemisphere, and the same as we will go in the western side 0 to till 180. So that means 180 line this side and 180 line this side, it will become 360 line. Then question will, how many longitudinal line are there on the earth? There are 360 longitudinal lines are found on the earth, and longitudinal line also known as meridian. Longitudinal line also known as meridian. Clear? That is about the meridian or longitudes. Then come to the latitudes. Children, again you can see I have one line which I have drawn between the North Pole and the south pole. Okay, exact between the north pole and the south pole. It is known as equator, and I have written here 0 degree, right? Because I again from 0 degree to we will go here in the equator. Children, all the line which run from the east west to east, they are known as latitudes. The line, the circle which run from the west to east, okay, are known as latitudes, and it is also called parallel. Okay, then how many latitudinal lines are there? Okay, I have written here 0. Then again we will go to till 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree till 90 degree, and again in the south side from 0, 1 to till 90 I have written here. Okay, that means 90 line this side and 90 line this side. It will become 180. Okay, but one line it is found in the 0, so it will become 181 line. Clear? So how many latitudinal lines are there? 181. And you can see equator, okay, also divide earth into 2 equal parts. North part is known as northern hemisphere, okay, and the south part of the equator is known as southern hemisphere. Okay, north part known as northern hemisphere and the south part known as southern hemisphere. Clear? And here many lines, latitudinal lines are found on the earth. How many latitudinal lines are found on the earth? That is 181. 181. And just like equator has their own name, 0 degree have their own name, na? Some latitudinal line have their own name. Okay, we will discuss it later. And children, I told you latitudinal line run from the west to east, and all the longitudinal line run from the north to south, north pole to south pole. Clear? And latitudinals and longitudinals, when they will meet together, they formed earth grid. Through this line, okay, through the earth grid we can easily able to locate a place clearly and easily on the map and globe. Then come to the next, that is the imaginary line which divide earth into 2 equal parts is called equator. As I told you that equator divide the earth into 2 equal parts, northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Okay, total number of latitudes are 360. Okay, I told you the total number of longitudes are 360. Okay, and the prime meridian is the important longitudinal line. It is found in on the 0 degree. Clear? The total number of latitudes are 181 and the total number of latitudes are 181. 90 line in the northern hemisphere and the 90 line in the southern hemisphere and 1 line of equator. It will become 181. And the parallels are drawn at the interval of 1 degree. All the parallels are drawn into the interval of 1 degree. I told you 0 degree, then we will go at 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree. Okay, all the parallels are complete circle except 90 degree and the 90 degrees south. All the parallels, you can see all the latitude are form a circle. We can see here one side of the globe now, but when you will see globe now, it will all the latitudinal line found in the form of circle, and when you will go from equator to pole, the circle become shorter. Equator is the great circle of the earth. Equator is the great circle of the earth, and then it gradually becomes smaller when you will go from equator to pole. Okay. The distance between two parallels about 111 kilometer, and the distance between two parallels. Okay, when we go from the 0 degree to 1 degree, I have to travel the distance of 111 kilometer, right? The distance between one latitude to another latitude. Okay, 0 degree to 1 degree, I have to travel 111 kilometer. Again I have to travel 111 kilometer to go 2 degree. Okay, that means the differences between two latitude is 101 kilometer. Then come to the important parallels. I told you that Earth has many latitudinous line. Okay, how many latitudinous line? That is 181, right? And some latitudinous line are very important, and they have their own name. And you can see here I have drawn 0 degree equator, you know that. Okay, equator divide the earth, and again 23.5 degree north. 23.5 degree north is known as Tropic of Cancer, right? And 66.5 degree north is known as Arctic Circle, and 90 degree, you know that 90 degree is the North Pole. And the same as in the northern hemisphere, degree will be same in the southern hemisphere, but name will be changed. 23.5 degree as same as the northern hemisphere, but name is here Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, and again 66.5 degree southern hemisphere. Okay, but the name is Arctic Circle. Okay, Arctic Circle. Clear? All the important 5 latitudinal line are very important. You should learn all the name. Okay, equator lie on the 0 degree. Tropic of Cancer, it is on the 23.5 degree north. Arctic Circle, it is on the 66.5 degree north. And again Tropic of Cancer, same degree as in the northern hemisphere, and Antarctic Circle, it is in the 66.5 degree south. And next we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.